So here we are going to do a topic 15th and the 16th. So it's simple. 16th is just already revised as in a reminder theorem. So same pattern is here. So that's why I combiningly I have written same thing here and there we're going to do it. So we'll focus here on the 15th topic. So it's a divisibility of x power of n plus or minus y power of n by. So the divisibility of this is what? X plus y or x minus y. Okay. So this all should be in the natural numbers. Now, if n is a natural number, then x power of n minus y power of n is divisible by x minus y always. So this is always it is. Okay. When it is x square, x power of n minus y power of n is divisible by x minus y always. Okay. But here, like some more things they have given when x plus y will be divisible. So here n is even, in this case x power of n plus y power of n is, if n is even, then we can divide it by x plus y. Okay. Now if n is odd, if this is a plus, then it is divisible by x plus y. Okay. Now the question is here. So we do the question. 25 power of 190, 19 power of 190, 8 power of 190, 2 power of 190 is divisible by. So they are asking us is divisible by what of this. So we'll take ones first of all. Yeah, we'll take this both. So 25 1 power of 190 minus 19 power of 190. Okay. So this is like kind of this. If I take, so always divisible by x minus y. So I can write it as x minus y, I can write it as 25 minus 19 minus 19, then how much it is? 25 minus 19 is 6, right? Then, but if it is minus, then even I can go further, and power is even, so I can even add also. So I'll just check which one will be useful for me. So if I add it, 25 plus 19, answer is 35, 44. Okay, so I'll take the next one. 2 power of 19 minus, 8 power of 190. This one I'm taking 8 power of 190 plus, this is a minus. If I take a common, minus will be here. Then here is, if it is minus, 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so this both I have done. Okay, now we'll check it with this both and this both. Okay, all the ways we are going to check it. Okay, so now 25 power of 190 minus 8 power of 190, then your answer is how much? 25 minus 8 is equal to, if I subtract, 70. So if I add it, 25 plus 8 is how much? 33. Then next is 19 power of 190 minus 2 power of 190 is equals to how much? 19 minus 2 is equals to 70. Okay. So if I add it, how much? 19 plus 2 is equals to 21. Okay. But here any combination, nothing is combination. Is that anything will be is here in the option 34 and 40, nothing is matches with that. So if I check these things, this both are same and this both are same, I'll take LCM of this both. So to divide all of them, right? So LCM of this both, I'll take it 6 into 17 is how much? 6 into 17 is how much? 6 sevens are 42. 6 1 6 plus 6 plus 4, 102, right? So we'll check the options 34 but not 14. So 17 2 is a 34, but 17 3 is not 14. Okay, but 14 but not, but 34 is option, right? 34 we can make it. This I can write it as 3 into 17 2s of 34. Okay. So this all, with this number, if I divisible, then this is also a divisible part, right? So I have to match with the options. So 14 but not 34, but 34 is divisible. So here both is going to be divisible. So that's not option. Neither this or that, but we have 34 but not 14. Okay, so option A. Now in this, and this the fractional part of the number. So we already know the remainder theorem inequality problem. The same thing, a fraction part of this is equal to. So to find a fraction of this, 4 power of 202 2 by 15. So 4 square, if I do it, that will be 16, so near to the 15. So I'll write that 4 square of 1011 by 15. So that is 16 power of 1011 by 15. So 16 I can write it as 15 plus 1 whole power of 1011 by 15. So if I cancel this one, it is 1. So it is 1 by 15. So your answer is 1 by 15. The next question is here they gave this is equals to k by 15. So what is the value of k? The same thing you are going to do it. 2 power of 403 power by 15. So you need, let's say 15 only. So 16 you can take it. 2 powers is here. So to take that, it should be like it is an odd number. Shall I take it as 4? We need a 4, right? So in 2 power of 3, if I separate it, then this is 2 power of 4 whole power of 100 into 2 power of 3 by 50. So that I write it as 16. Then how much I'm going to get? It's an 8 by 15. So 15 is here, k value, so k value is 8. That's it. We have done with the topic 15 and 16. And next video we will go with the